Big rough neck respect all the bad boy and all the bad boy cloak. A jam along to the fast show and pass through like a volcanic eruption. Ribbit. They ball jump and move and jump and move and jump and move and stop. We got it! Jump and move and jump and move and jump and move and stop.
Man, this guy is so accidentally cool.
Let me tell something to you. I know size can be daunting, but don't be afraid. I love you.
Jump and move and jump and move and jump and move.
Turn to the penguin next to you and give him a great big hug.
What you hugging me for?
He told me to. Get away. Now you like it.
Happy winter wishing! The Rainbow City looks magical!
How go the preparations for the winter wishing?
We still need snow.
The snow is a special gift from my sister.
Oh, it's that cute little frost crystal from the Ice Kingdom. The forever frost that can't be melted! Uh-oh. Hey! We have to keep Icy from turning everything and everyone into blocks of ice. We need wish help, and fast. Wishing tree, share with me. The forever frost might reach the wishing tree too.
We'll be fine, True. You go to the really cold place. We're going up to the wishing tree.
Yeah!
It could be dangerous. Are you sure you're ready?
We're ready. Does any of this seem a little strange?
What's
Magic tower in the wishing tree.
I will never ever take my fur for granted again. Thank you, fur. I love you, fur. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
I'm just a normal girl living in a normal town where I do normal things like snack on fried octopus balls after school or encounter aliens who have come to conquer Earth. There's a penguin and a comet in my school, and my teacher's a robot. I've got lots and lots of friends. My dad commutes to work every day, and my mom takes samba lessons. Their daughter, Naoko, that's me, reads poetry and dreams as she gazes up at the moon. Like I said, it's all pretty normal, until Dino Girl Galco shows up. Who are you calling a monster?
Galco.
Galco? I'm sorry.
Did you have a fight? No.
Futon, go away! Yeah, that's not helping.
Mark, you know how you turn into Galco when you get mad, right?
If I wanted to keep myself from getting angry, how would I go about doing that?
My sunny disposition.
Oh, no,
What's wrong with being a dinosaur? I'm still a girl. Do not discriminate against dinosaurs! Thought I might go on a rampage, huh?
Once she changes back, they'll all probably be pretty bummed.
Seriously.
Get on back here, boy!
When Judd Travers' best hunting dog runs away,
What do you keep following me around for?
it changes Marty Preston's life forever.
This is the third time in the last 3 months he's run off. You treat that dog right, he might not run off.
I was thinking about that dog.
Well, the answer is no.
Share in the story of a boy who learns that growing up means standing up for what you believe is right.
You have to fight me first to get him back.
Are you trying to stir up trouble?
Can't give Judd the chance to hurt him again. He just might be the best boy I know.
Shiloh, the Newbery Award-winning classic, is now an award-winning film from Warner Home Video.
Now, on the PBS Kids video app, it's Let's Go Luna.
You know what happens when I hear music? I gotta dance!
Let's Go Luna, a brand new show on PBS Kids.
Woohoo! Let's go!
Check it out today on the free PBS Kids video app.
It's Elmo Palooza!
Elmo Palooza, a song-packed video, CD, and cassette with everybody's favorite monster of ceremonies and an all-star cast of friends.
I love to do the mambo. I nearly missed the rainbow.
Music laughter, and Sesame Street fun for the whole family. Elmo Palooza. Buy it now on video, CD, and cassette from Sony Wonder.
Granny Fathom Entertainment presents the Granny Fathom Season 1 episodes from Sony Wonder. To normal or not to normal, imagine that the logo on the pizza, the twisted world of Sony Wonder, Dr. Benson and the Cloak Factory, Terry Plate Campus Linebacker, Mafek Leosa, Princess Neptune, the Dial Diary, the Mirror's Fate Little Guy, and the Secret Recipe Walter. Can't take him anywhere, Little Guy and friends to the Beanstalk, the new room, in the block and Santa Sarah's Disco Zone. Collect them all, like that disc. Go see Granny Fathom second season, it has 17 episodes and then...
Oh wow, that makes me cool.
Need a Granny Fathom catalog for Granny Fathom Season 1.
Hey, that's sunny outside. It looks like...
You can count on Ernie to make learning He's dropping by the Furry Arms Hotel to give Humphrey, Ingrid, and Benny the Bunny a song-filled lesson in 1, 2, 3, Count With Me. It all adds up to a ringing good time. And on CD and audio cassette, you'll have a great time singing along with all your Sesame Street pals on Kids' Favorite Songs, a musical treasury of best-loved classics.